Well, done. Well, on. Almost done. Well, setting on the truck, and the fancy wiring harness plugs right into mine. So I'd say the lights are done. Okay. I don't know where to put half my stuff. They sent some funny looking mud flat brackets. I don't know if I like them or not. So, got some blocking under the front. It sits nice and level. On the back, not quite so much, but that's okay, because basically what you do is you measure from the floor to the top of your frame, which is 35 inches. So you go to the front part of the frame where you're going to mount it, and you measure it, and it's 33, 2 inches short. So you go to the center, where the highest part of the frame is on the Ford, and you measure it, and it is 35. That's the number. We need to be at 35. So the back end's at 35. Whoop. Front end's at 35. Center is at 35. Actually, it's going to fit pretty well because we're going to put a bracket here, and a bracket here. 3 brackets each side. And what I'll do is I'll make the brackets. Let's do a little demonstration. What do we got? We won't use these, but this will be a good. So, frame of the truck. Hang on just a second. So basically that's how we've done the brackets before. So, nope, completely wrong. Hey, watch out, here we go. So basically, from the bottom of the truck, this piece will go up. I'm just using that board to hold this. And that will bolt, this piece will bolt to the frame, but much smaller pieces than this. And then, I'm doing it backwards. There you go. So basically, that piece right here will go on the new frame of the subframe of the flat rack. That piece goes to the frame of the truck. We meet them, level them, drill them, and bolt them. 3 bolts, grade 8s across that. Front, back, center gets a flat plate. A plate like this, 3 on the top, 3 on the bottom. Could I possibly have explained that any worse? You never know. So anyway, yeah, nice lights on this. I mean, literally just plug them in. So when I finally got it where I want it, it is sitting level on the truck right now. It's in its final resting spot. I'll be jacking it up, moving it down. I've got my measurements here and on the other side. Very technical done. It's like 2.5 fingers here. Actually, it's got to come back a little bit on this side. So it's about 2.5 inches off the back of the cab. Here, let me get some of these lights off. They're flashing all over the place. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I got to make a run to the metal shop to get some 4-inch flat bar or L channel. And what I'll do is I'll cut them to match where I need on the frame, drill them on the drill press, mark them on the frame, drill the frame, bolt them on the frame, let the box back down after I bolt them to the, drill them into the subframing of the flat rack, drill them through and bolt them using all grade 8s, lock washers. It's relatively simple. Once you get them all, the 6 sets, there's 6 sets of them. 2, 4, 6. There's 8 pieces on the corners and just 2 flat pieces, which I basically use something like this but in the same type of metal. So we'll get them all cut, get them all placed in, then take them off, paint them, let them dry, put them back, bolt them on, and then it's to move it forward, fabricate a couple brackets down to hold the fuel fill, and they're going to be aluminum brackets. I got some bar aluminum here. I'll make a couple back brackets and drill them, and then it's mud flap front and rear. Run through the brakes on this truck really quickly. Take a look at it. We got an exhaust manifold leaking. We'll fix that. It is getting late, and I've been 2 places trying to get it painted. So it looks like I'll be doing it myself. Everybody's very busy, and apparently you need to book in May if you want it done before Christmas around here. So yeah. So I will fill, there's a hole on this side, a little one down here, and I'll cut a little piece out, weld it in. I'm going to wire brush it with the power brush real good, sand it down, treat it with rust killer, put some etching primer on it, etches into the paint, or into the metal, and then prime it. Yeah, and then I think what I'll do is I'll get the Tough Coat in a can. I'll spray the bottoms, the inside of the doors, and up about 3 inches all the way around to the back here. And then I have enough paint left that I used when I painted over the box and the wheel wells a year or two years ago. So I'll be able to do both sides myself on this one. Add the mud flats back on the front. Then the sander goes on. I got a bearing in the sander to replace. It's in my drawer. We'll get that bearing in the spinner fixed. Get that all on, get it wired up. Cutting edges. And just run through this one, then bring the silver truck in, do the same thing. Just run through the brakes. Actually, I just did the brakes on that one. So change the oil again, grease it. Open the doors up, the little plugs on the doors. Where are we here? What we've been using? I think it's right here. Fluid film inside everything, and get it ready. It doesn't need to be inspected. It's good to December on the inspection. November it's going to be re-registered, and give it a good wash. Put a coat of wax on it, and we're ready to go. On to the next one. The last one will be the F350. And that basically has to change out and lock in the hubs on all the trucks, and put the sander back on that one, and put the blade back on it. So that one just got serviced, so that one's all ready for the winter. And I think we're ready. Then the loader will come in, and the loader will get serviced. Check all the radiators, because you know, it gets 20, 25 below here at night sometimes, so we want them nice. Radiators topped off where they're in good shape so they can stand 35 below zero. Okay, thanks for stopping in. Thanks for subscribing. Love the comments. Thank you to all the new subscribers. Bring your friends, more the merrier. And if you like these videos, put a thumb up. We'll have some snowplow videos with the loaders when it snows. Of course, we're a couple months away from that, hopefully. Yeah, we'll put some videos up of us snow plowing. We're going to try to get some more videos this winter done of that. Seems like a lot of views of those snow plowing videos, especially the loader working with the pusher on the front, cleaning parking lots. Okay, again, thanks. Have a great weekend.